off-leash canine training here in Pensacola. With me today is 1-year-old Boats. He's a Doberman, and he's here with us for our 3-week board and train program. So Boats definitely has a little bit of reactivity towards people, dogs, especially in and around his own home. Just when I got there, he's barking at me, growling at me, trying to, pop up and lunge. Luckily, his mom had a good handle on him, so he didn't get to me. But with that, I've seen no actual aggression at all. The second somebody takes a leash from him, or the second that he deems you as like, oh, you're not going to do anything, he just warms up to you and he's a cuddle buddy and just snuggles in with you. So once he understands that, even when I got him back to my house, he saw my dogs and was perfectly fine with them. So it's just that initial reaction. He gets startled and he has to figure out what he has to do. So we will be working on a lot of that confidence building over the next 3 weeks. But let me show you where he's at today. Boats, come. Boats, come. Boats, come here. Come on, good boy. Boats, sit. Good job. What about down? No, maybe, kinda. There you go. Good boy. Oh, right back up. All right. What about heel? Heel. Boats, hey, heel. Good job. Look at you. Okay. A lot of jumping, kind of crisscrossing in front. He's just kind of all over the place when he heels. So he does know some of the commands already, which is awesome. We'll be working on a lot of those and just kind of proofing him over the next 3 weeks. Keep watching the video and you'll see his progress. Good boy, buddy.